Target Trading Academy.
Hello everyone, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and this video here is going to share with you what the submitted trades were for our students that use the Carnac Trading method for Monday, October 11th. We'll get started with an early trade at 9:33 here. Okay, so here's our first trade from 9:33 in the morning, 3 minutes after the official day session opened. We have a trade from Raghuveer, who has a winner here, two very fast exits, and the trailing stop, which would have started 2 points away, comes up when it reaches the second target all the way up to break even, and therefore when it has this very large reversal, he didn't lose any money on the second one. Two fast gains, break even on the third for a nice quick winner, Sim in the ES. Okay, and the next trade here submitted by Kurt was just a short while later at 9:44. So you can see this is a live trade in the micros, along with the rallying market here, and 1, 2, 3 targets taken out, all profitable. The market did go higher, as you can see, as he's likes to write some notes to me, and did go quite a bit higher. So he needs to work on holding his targets longer, his profits longer, but it was still a very, very good trade. Okay, next up would be Mick. Now Mick is in the same time frame. It's essentially the same trade. However, I wanted to share this with you because it's another live trade. This is in the big market, the ES, not the micros. It was a winning trade. It was a quick winner. The first target filled. Looks like he did a 2-lot, and the trailing stop came up quickly, and that was taken out for a fast winner as it went sideways here over the next 5 or 6 bars. But I wanted to point out, and I've already pointed this out to him in a private email, is that he was really 3 bars late. And what we got to work on is getting the optimal entry, which would have been down here at 87, 87 and a quarter. But I'm glad to see that it was still a winner. Okay, and our next submission was from Kurt again. This is at about roughly 10:40 Eastern in the morning. Once again, he likes to write notes to me. So he sold a total of 9 micros, and he had 3 taken off of the first target, 3 more at the second, 1 near the bottom of what turned out to be a sideways range here, and then the trailing stop came down, and the final 2 were taken out. So a very good trade here. Lasted, the majority of this was over in about 2 minutes. So a great entry, good exits, trailing stop came down. It took him out before it went several points higher. So very good trade in the micro ES live with the 9-lot. And it shows $81.25 here on the right. But remember, that's 10 times smaller. The micro is 10 times smaller than the ES. So when someone gets good at trading the ES, you graduate to the ES, the bigger contract, and that would be at this time in the morning at 10:40 in the morning. The market's barely open an hour. You put a 0 at the end of that, and he would have been up $812.50. Okay, in this screenshot here is from Kathleen. We have 2 winning trades on the simulator for the ES.
Is this working?
A short at 11:15 and then a long again at about 11:35. Okay, so in these 2 trades, great work, Kathleen. So she caught the big breakdown here with the long-term and short-term high-frequency traders very bearish. The trending indicator showing a big trend coming. It was a short but fast drop from about 44.01 to 33.96 area. Quick 5-handle drop. She did get out of the trade a little bit too early, but it was still a good trade. At balanced, she recognized that the short-term informed traders were trying to take the market right back up again, and they did, with the trending algorithm saying, yes, the trend is reversing for 2 winners here in a short time period. So very good job, Kathleen. Okay, and our final 2 trades here are, again, from Kathleen, and we have a loss and a winner. So this trade here with the loss, it looks like it was filled about 83.5 and it dropped down to 82, and she must have been exiting the whole thing at once, or when she on the next trade she got a nice runner, so she exited them several points away. But Normally, what the order strategies that most of the students use is that should have been at worst a break-even trade. So, but hey, it is what it is. So she lost money on the trade, and 82.5 to 85.5. She lost about 3 points. Okay, wouldn't recommend any more than that, that's for sure. But she wound up getting it back here with the next trade. Both of these, by the way, are valid. I just think maybe she fumbled the first trade, fumbled the football there with the loss, which should have been break even at worst. And then on the next trade, went against her a little bit. It's going to happen. And then the big drop down as expected, with the HFTs being as bearish as they are and the trending algo showing a downward trend. And so that was a nice trade there. And you can see here in the early afternoon, she's up $412.50 on the practice simulator. So there we have it today. 7 winners, 1 loss, and no break-even trades. And that's going to do it for today. If you have any questions on this, please let us know at Target Trading Academy. Hopefully you can spend a little time with us in the trading room as we can, you can see how we discuss it together. And as always, trade on your own. If you trade with us, hey, always going to wish you the best. Good luck and trade well.